Hi everybody, this is Mary for Stampin' Camp with Mary and Mary's Stamping Happenings. And today is Simple Stamping Day. And I want to show you this note card that's fast, easy to do. I am coloring it in with Stampin' Right markers, but you could use watercolors, pencils, whatever. First of all, what we're going to be using is we are going to be using the Hand-Drawn Blooms stamp set. We are going to be using Memento Black. And then we are going to be using a bunch of Stampin' Right markers. Mostly these are the in colors. Well, they are all the in colors. So, and we are going to be using a Whisper White note card. So the first thing we want to do is we want to, with Memento Black, I want to, this is the big flower bundle, the top of it, and I want to ink it up really well with Memento Black. And then I want to stamp that right on the top. And I want to push down. Mary is wonderful, Mary is wonderful, Mary is wonderful, Mary is wonderful. Then I want to take the little bottom of that, and you'll notice it has a little bow on it and everything else. You may want to use the Big Shot to line this up, even though it's on a red rubber, on a cling. But I'm just going to eyeball it because of that, the ribbon there in the bow. You can line it up even close to it and it looks like it is. Now I'm going to clean these off because I just redid my Memento Black and it's going to stay a little wet for a little bit. So time I clean it, it should be fine to put my hands on. And with this, it's such a detailed one. You may want to take your Stampin' Chamois and really clean it off well so you don't get black all over yourself. Okay. Now what I'm going to do is I am going to just, you'll notice there's a bunch of different kinds of flowers. I am just going to use my Stampin' markers and I am just going to fast color these. Now this is Bumblebee. And you don't have to worry about it being perfect. Oh, I thought there was one more. Okay, and then I'm going to use, let's use my Seaside Spray. Oops, different end for these. They look like cornflowers for me. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to take the little thank you and I'm just going to ink it up with one of the colors. Let's go with the Misty Moonlight. Why I keep calling that Midnight Madness? And we're just going to put that right like that. And there you have it. A simple stamping card. Remember to follow me on YouTube. Everything you need to make this card is down below. I really would appreciate it if you like my videos that you shop with me for your Stampin' Up supplies. Thanks for visiting and happy stamping. Bye-bye.